Just wanted to bring you guys out and show you some fall colors, but everything's still kind of green here, so yeah. I'm in this area I used to come up to, and it's kind of weird now. There's a lot of houses and stuff around here now. So, but yeah, I just want to come out, take a look, see if the fall colors hit, which it hasn't really. I mean, you can still see some in the back. But, so yeah, well, let's go up the road and see if we can find anything else. Yeah, so I know Wyoming started fall in the summertime, so this is it's barely hitting here, so that's good. I mean, it just started getting cold too, so okay, let's go up the road and see what we can find. Okay, so you can see some yellows. Nothing too crazy, but it's there. I know there's some big old aspens up here. We'll go check that out. It's crazy. It's so busy out here. I had like tons of people behind me. I used to come up here and you wouldn't see nobody at all. I guess that's what happens when things get overpopulated. Let's get up here. Oh, I know where we are. Okay. Let's see. Make my decision here which way I want to go. Oh, look at that.
Choose A or choose B.
Yeah. Well, I know this way straight goes to a blue trail. We could go. Oh, let's go up this way. Yeah. Because this is Thumb Butte.
You have chosen choice B
Yeah.
as your destination.
Oh, and guess what? We got everything fixed, so we got 4-wheel drive.
Holy frickin' crap!
Some big old ruts. There's some flowers. We still got flowers out, so yeah. We're starting to get into the fall. This is a cool spot up here with some big views. I'll show you guys. You can see that big old rut that's in the road. We're gonna try to drive over it.
Oh, that's what that is.
Yeah, it's from all the rain. There's been tons and tons of rain out here.
Jesus.
Yeah. Okay, let's go pop a sticker over here. There. You're coming through a park like this. Willie's having a hard time getting out. There's up there in the tree. In the oaks. Check out. Well, here we are on the top. It's a Skull Valley down there, or over there somewhere. I don't know. I can't remember. So yeah, it's beautiful up here. No, that's the trail. Yeah, it's just a trail that goes down there. It's not a government base. Aircraft landing. Yeah, so that goes. I think you get to the Apache Trail from here if you just keep hitting these trails all the way back. Crown King is somewhere over this way. So. Check out that view. There's some more fall colors right there. Orangey in the tree. Yellow and orange.
And one dead tree.
That's not dead. That's the fall colors.
No,
It's an oak.
I saw a white dead tree right there.
Oh, that is a dead tree.
At least we're all crumpled up.
Arizona's really good at taking care of their forest. Really good at taking care of it. Yeah, you barely see garbage. It's just some people come out and do it anyways. That's a dead tree right there. Discolored pine, because pines don't change colors.
Oh, so that's a dead tree then.
Yeah, that needs to be lopped. There's a couple of them out there. Some lightning hits that sucker, it's gonna light up.
Yeah, I see a couple.
Yeah, look at the colors. I guess we'll come back like next week and see if the colors changed any better. Getting up to one of my other favorite spots. So I used to come camp all the time. They just turn a lot of these big spots into like hiking trails and shit. I don't know. We've got too many of those hiking trails around here. It's time to give the forest back to the off-roaders. There we are. Talking about. There's no.
No.
That wasn't grandma that did that. The store is a variety pack. All right, here we are to the view of the